EPA don't watch. Ah! Well, it's been a while since we recorded on this, so what's the status? What have we been working on? Clutch. So the new clutch is on there, and he rebuilt the slave cylinder. So that's on there now too, and we got it bled, and I guess the master is fine, because if you pull it in, you'll see that it works. If you want to give it a pull. Yeah, so we've got clutch now. So now we gotta seal this up, let it dry for a bit while we work on other things, and then we should be able to start it up again and see if it moves. Actually, we should know if it moves by tonight. So that's exciting. Finally got a proper work light, or Eric did anyways, but yeah, so that's where we're at. Oh yeah, he got a new tail light assembly. So that was nice. The dude was in New Hampshire, but they wouldn't let him pick it up, unfortunately, because it was an eBay sale. But yeah, nice new turn signals and conveniently the right color trim on the tail light. So yeah, exciting progress on this. Eric, status update.
You have to become one with the bike. I'm screwing in the rear brake light.
Mm-hmm.
It's situated. Ooh, what's this?
We've got fairings out because it's that time in the build. Because the clutch cover was the last thing. I mean, it needs a battery, but we can figure that out. I got this bolted on. It's drying while we work on everything else.
Actually, hand me that other wire harness, because this one of the wires is trashed.
How trashed? Oh.
That's a grounding wire.
You don't need those. Drop. Those bulbs look better.
These ones, or?
These ones look better.
Yeah, let's switch them over.
You are holding them, so...
I'm also holding... I can't really move.
We'll get back to you guys.
Nope.
Paint time. I just drift stitched these back on and they'll hold. Time for paint. Good. It looks exactly the same. I mean, white is white, so I would hope it would. Alright, so we've done a lot of stuff. I don't remember where we left off, but we put gas in it. It runs, the carbs need to be synced. It's not gonna work unless we sync the carbs. But it revs really high now. So let me go back here and we'll get a good running video. Well, we fixed the clutch, so let's see it move. Yeah. Clutch. If you let the clutch out, see if it'll drop, because that's how my 400 was.
I don't want to. This is a 1000, not a 400.
Wee.
And also fairings are in the way.
Crunch.
And gas, and the bike's...
Come on, everything about it's a great idea.
The bike's kind of hot, so let's let it cool off.
Well, I told you it was probably just stuck. Did it feel like it was grabbing like it should, though?
Yeah,
nice.
It felt like my 600.
Great. Well, that's certainly progress.
Yeah, I guess just holding it out and letting it
Yeah.
rev bomb a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It just needs to unstick. Sweet. it's a little bit dead. Yep. Woo! Campfire. This is how you deal with hazmat from the injuries on the job.